we have to find the measure of angle KLP. So we have to find this angle. What we have given here? We have that angle PLM has measure 49 degrees. So we can write this, that measure of angle PLM is 49 degrees. What else we have here? That we see that angle KLM is straight angle. And we know that measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. So let's write this. KLM is equal 180 degrees. So we know that angle KLM is straight, has 180 degrees. We have given angle PLM, so now to find angle KLP, we have to subtract from angle KLM, from straight angle, angle PLM. So we can write equation first, that measure of angle KLM is equal measure of angle KLP plus measure of angle PLM. Now we can substitute. Measure of angle KLM is 180 degrees. This is equal. We have to find measure of angle KLP, and we have given that angle PLM is 49 degrees. So we have plus 49 degrees. So now we will move 49 degrees to the left side. So we will have 180 degrees minus 49 degrees. This is equal angle KLP. So we can write first that measure of angle KLP is equal 131 degrees. This is my solution.